How to rent a car in Stockholm. Cheap and easy. Honest review and user experience. Renting a car in Stockholm can seem expensive and complicated, but it doesn't have to be. I recently went through the process myself, and here's my honest review and step-by-step guide to renting a car cheaply and easily in Sweden's capital. Most people get this wrong. They head straight to international rental chains at the airport, only to face high prices and hidden fees. The surprising truth is that booking online in advance and using comparison platforms can save you 30–50% off the standard airport rates. I personally used a combination of rental aggregators and local Swedish agencies to find the best deal. First, you need to decide whether you want a car at the airport or in the city. Picking up in the city centre often costs less and avoids the extra airport surcharge. I found a compact car for about 300 SEK per day when booked in advance, much cheaper, and the 600–700 SEK per day at the airport. Next, check the insurance carefully. In Sweden, basic insurance is mandatory, but most agencies put additional coverage. I chose the essential coverage and declined extras I didn't need, saving nearly 150 SEK. Fuel policy is another trap. Opt for full to full rather than prepaid, because you only pay for the fuel you use. This can save you a surprising amount, especially in a city like Stockholm where traffic is moderate, but gas prices are high. Finally, understand the local rules. Stockholm has congestion charges in some areas. Parking can be tricky, and many streets are one-way. Planning your route ahead of time makes driving stress-free. In conclusion, renting a car in Stockholm is cheap and easy if you plan ahead, compare prices, and know the local rules. Whether it's exploring the archipelago or taking a road trip across Sweden, having your own wheels can be both convenient and cost-effective. Don't fall for the airport trap. Book smart and drive safe.